inspiration has come to me from Tagore's poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Prakashdeep actually started in 2003. When Savita saw some children, she was actually very disturbed because she saw them roaming around on the street and she felt that she must do something for them.
It doesn't matter if we don't have a roof on our head. It doesn't matter. You can educate children, you see, wherever you want to sit.
जब ये स्कूल खुला था तो मिसेस सविता दत्त थी यहाँ. मुझे याद है मैडम पार्क में बैठी हुई थी, वेट कर रही थी सम स्टूडेंट्स का. तो सबसे पहले एक बच्चा आया तो मैडम का जो चेहरा था वो इतना मतलब खिला एकदम कि एक नींव रखी गई उस दिन.
Got 3 more children from outside on the street, roaming around on the street, and started a school with 7 of these kids. She was the youngest. She was almost a toddler.
Although we have more than 600 children, the strength keeps moving upwards. We have permitted all children to come. And girl child has never been refused. That has been our policy. I became the treasurer of the trust. So we started getting help from various people. And over the years, we kept improving our financial position because we realized that unless we are able to build up a strong financial base, as a trust, we cannot function effectively. We have basically a board of trustees which consists of 7 people, and we got ourselves registered in the year 2006.
डॉक्टर सविता दत्त जो हैं एक स्कूल चला रहे हैं और जो बेसिकली उन बच्चों के लिए ये काम कर रहा है जिनको बाकी सब लोग डिनाई कर देते हैं, एडमिशन नहीं देते, या जो लोग फीस नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते, या जिनके पास में बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं है, जो कि बाकी स्कूल सब डिमांड करते हैं.
When I was a child, I joined Prakashdeep School and I finished my 9th from here, and I did 12th and 10th from NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, and I have completed my first year from the university, BCom. Prakashdeep has really changed my life.
Before Hamilton Grammar School, I was in Prakashdeep School, तो मैम ने मुझे स्पॉन्सर किया हॉम्पटन ग्रामर स्कूल के लिए 2007 में. प्रकाशदीप ने जो मुझे सिखाया वो मेरी लाइफ में अभी तक काम आ रहा है और वो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था मेरे लिए.
Actually, we moved into this neighborhood about 5 years back, and my son, who was visiting from US, he saw the school running in the park and he just couldn't believe. And then he was after me, Mom, you have to do something for them. And then it was Savita ma'am's efforts. She would call me, come give talk on hygiene, on nutrition. And then I saw the response of the children and I felt I was doing something meaningful.
I used to travel every day to office from this place. So this used to come on my way. That's how it made me think that I should come here and join. I have also learnt a lot of things from Prakashdeep, from the children, from Dr. Dutt, everybody.
I'm currently a final year BTech Mechanical Engineering student. And I've been working on various real life projects. As you can see here, we have the gravity light, we have the bicycle, we have various solar lamps. And the main objective of this program is to bridge that gap between education and practical life. During my first year of college, I decided that I should come here. Probably there is some magic in this place. So these are the solar lamps. So these work on solar panels. These are very simple lamps. I can show you on.
The children walked in themselves.
पढ़ने का मन करे तो स्कूल में आपको एडमिट करा दे. चलो आ जाओ बेटा।
The parents also who were going out to work, the laborers and all, they thought, it was a better idea to leave their children behind under the tree, under the care of someone, and they were getting something to eat. So they felt happier, and the school grew on its own steam. It's amazing to see children, they can still laugh in the face of adversities. We were giving them just 2 biscuits, glucose biscuits. And even then these children came. It was an incentive for them to come for their 2 biscuits, School like ours, which is so transparent. And people passing by, next to the market area and all. So they saw something is happening and they would bring something like bananas. Somebody would even bring stationery, somebody would bring clothes, like that.
ये बच्चे यहाँ आना चाहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ मिड डे मील है, एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, सब कुछ फ्री है। प्रकाशदीप सब बच्चों को बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट पढ़ाता है और एक्टिविटीज़ इतना एक्सपोजर देता है।
You get hooked to this place. Certain children who are parentless or have just one parent, they have been provided by rations from here every month, which one of the sponsors here does it.
They do not have the means to go for tuition classes and all. They come to me for their studies, which I definitely help them at home also.
From here, occasionally we had some pakka building into which the children were, but there was never enough room for all of them. So this school in the park continued as it does today.
The children are so well behaved. When you introduce yourself, nobody can say that they are from this school.
वो उस लेवल का पढ़ाती हैं जो हमें होमटन में पढ़ाया जाता है, तो मतलब अब शायद होमटन में और प्रकाशदीप में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है।
Now we have sponsored her to Akash Coaching Center, where she's getting those pre-medical training,
डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ।
पहले हम सरकारी स्कूल में जाते थे, वहाँ पे अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी। अब हम प्रकाशदीप स्कूल में जाते हैं, वहाँ पे अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है और वहाँ पे हर चीज़ समझाते भी हैं, जो समझ नहीं आता उसे बार-बार भी समझाते हैं।
Prakashdeep is not only about studies, it also provides many facilities like computers, science lab and library and teaching, acting, drama, dancing.
मेरा इंटरेस्ट साइंस में है, तो हम लोग साइंस लैब में प्रैक्टिकली बहुत सारी चीज़ें करके देखते हैं।
सविता मैम चाहती हैं कि हम बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स ना बनाएं, हमारा स्कूल पेड़ों के नीचे हो, बच्चे नेचर के साथ पढ़ें, क्योंकि जितना हम नेचर के पास रहते हैं उतना हम ज़्यादा सीख सकते हैं। तो उनका यही ड्रीम है और हम चाहते हैं कि उनका ड्रीम जल्द से जल्द पूरा हो और हम एक बहुत ऐसा स्कूल बना सकें जो इंडिया का बेस्ट ग्रीन स्कूल हो।
And I want, these children to stand up to anyone, look into their eye and be confident enough and have all the opportunities which have been denied to them over the centuries.
There are a lot of challenges. There are a lot of girl children coming to us. So what happens is once they reach the age of puberty, their parents think that now it's time to get them married. So that's one very big challenge that we face. So in some cases we are successful, others we are not.
Where education will be free, where we'll have the best faculty. It is possible now. If we don't have physical teachers, we'll have virtual. I want vast expanses of green space, where children can run around and feel free.
आज के ज़माना तो कंप्यूटर का है, तो कंप्यूटर सीखें, चित्रकार बने, कुछ और सीखें, बड़े हमसे भी बड़े बने।
ये सिर्फ स्कूल नहीं, एक तरह से पेरेंट्स की तरह हेल्प करते हैं बच्चों के हर जगह पर।
मैं समझता हूँ कि बच्चे जिनके साथ उनका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, उनके लिए जितना एक माँ करती है उससे कई टाइम ज़्यादा वो करती है।
यही सब चीज़ें जो हमें एक इंसान बनाते हैं।
ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, औरन को शीतल करे आपको शीतल होए। कबीर दास जी कहते हैं हमें प्यार से बोलना चाहिए और मीठा बोलना चाहिए, इससे हमें भी खुशी मिलती है और दूसरे को भी खुशी मिलती है।
अब जैसे ये सिलना सीख गए सर, जिसके घर में मशीन है, खुद सिल के कपड़े अच्छे से पहन के आते हैं स्कूल, बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं हम लोगों को।
किसी ने हमें बताया इस स्कूल के बारे में, तो मम्मी ने हम 3 बहन भाइयों को इस स्कूल में डाला, तो सारी टीचर्स ने हमें बहुत कोऑपरेट किया।
प्रकाशदीप हमें सपोर्ट करता था हर चीज़ में जो हम करना चाहते थे।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मुझे ये मौका मिला, मैं गोल्डफील्ड में गई।
Children between 9 to 14 are being provided with a stipend of 150 rupees if they attend classes for about 20 days a month.
We need to develop a base of people who contribute regularly.
अगर हमारे बच्चों का बेस सही बनता है तो आगे हमारी काफ़ी चीज़ें अपने आप ठीक हो जाती हैं।
हमारा फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस इतना नहीं था कि हम होमटन तक जाए। प्रकाशदीप ने हमारा बेस बनाया है और जो अभी तक हमें काम में आ रहा है।
Since we let them take the board with the National Open School, so we have much more time with them.
They are more receptive. They are more willing to work hard. They listen. They respond. At the back of their mind, I think there's a sense of gratitude that whatever we are giving them, whatever we are teaching them, whatever making them learn, they feel that they have to imbibe them all with whatever best capabilities they have.
Dr. Savita ma'am provides the best of education because she believes in the best. So she says even if we don't have teachers or volunteers which the children need, so we can have a school in the cloud. They can get education from there and children have that ability in them to take it from there.
Every little step that a child takes forward is what drives us.
क्योंकि जो मैम का एक सपना है, हम चाहते हैं हम भी उस सपने में एक भागीदार बने मैम।
It's a fulfilling job, it is a life-changing experience.
जो ये कार्य करते हैं मैं उनको सलूट करता हूँ।